Okay, so it's Monday morning. Today is our last day of freedom before school starts tomorrow. So I thought I would surprise the kids and take them over to the creek. But first, we have some chores to do. So today's our last day of freedom before school starts. I thought maybe it'd be fun to go to the creek. But first, we need to do our chores. So we're gonna do our kitchen chores today and our Monday chores this morning. I need you to make sure that your laundry is all put away and we need to get ready for school. Okay, so the faster we get all of that stuff done, the faster we can get to the creek, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna leave the Lego City on the table. What's your kitchen chore, bud? On Monday.
Sweeping.
Sweeping, that's right. Okay. And yours?
Dishes with Alexis.
Uh-oh. Is this the reason why you don't sound too thrilled about that?
Not so.
Also, we've been painting.
My chore today was the table and cabinets, but AJ already did the table.
What do you say to him?
Thank you, AJ.
That's
And
right.
so all I have to do is this.
It's the counters. You gotta do a good job,
Yeah,
though, okay?
and I'll also clean them off.
Okay, that's a great idea.
Like put the stuff on. Careful.
AJ, why are you not in the kitchen?
It's my day off for kitchen chores.
That's right. Monday is AJ's day off, so he is getting a head start on the bathroom. What is your bathroom chore?
Cleaning off the sink and counter.
Always in my head.
Why do we do chores?
To keep our house clean.
Because our parents either the backs are achy or they're just too lazy to get up.
You don't think the parents do anything in this house?
I'm joking.
I know you are.
It's because the parents have to film, they have to edit, they have to do their laundry, they have to go to work. They have to do way more stuff than we have to do. Because we live in this home, it's part of our home. We live here too. It's just your responsibility.
What's your favorite chore to do?
Well, the easiest would be either laundry or doing the tables and counters.
Dishes, sweeping, and tables, those are all like easy chores. Tables,
Tables? Really? Why?
because it's nice and easy.
Tables, because it's the easiest.
What about the worst chore in this house?
Dishes.
Dishes? Even worse than the bathroom?
Yes.
Picking weeds is one of my chores that I don't like because they're hard for me. Dishes.
Dishes. Why dishes?
Guys.
Dishes.
That's what everybody keeps
Actually,
saying.
cleaning blinds would be the worst chore, but we don't do this like every day.
You get paid for cleaning blinds, right?
Yeah, like I think it's $1 a piece. I don't know.
What's your favorite chore to do for money?
For money, vacuuming out the cars. That's easy. You get $2 each car.
That's right.
Cleaning your bathroom.
Cleaning my bathroom is the best.
Yes.
Yeah. I usually do pretty good for that, don't I?
I think it was. Dad paid me $5 last time because I did a good job.
I think I told him $5, yeah. What are you going to do with your money?
Sometimes we bring it into the bank, and sometimes I like spend it on some toys.
Ashley, how do you feel about doing chores?
I feel good. It's like the chores that we did today, I'm glad about.
So at first, I definitely do not like this. I dislike it so much, and then I'm like, I've gotten the hang of this. I do this so much. I mean, I got this.
The party, like a little fun, because you get to walk with your partner and like talk also.
No, he doesn't like chores.
He doesn't like chores. Okay, Alexis, what do you think about chores?
They're okay.
So I have a question. How old are you?
7.
How long have you been doing chores?
I don't know.
I think we had you doing chores when you were 3, dude. Are you too young to do chores?
No.
No?
Maybe when you're 0.
Maybe when you're 0, you're too young. That's good. So do you even vacuum cars sometimes for extra money?
Yeah, sometimes, but not very often.
The big kids don't let you do it. But when you do vacuum cars, are you the best?
Yep. He said I'm the best at doing them.
Doing what?
Cars.
Doing the cars. So how do you feel when you're finished with your chores?
Finally can lay on the couch.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Yep.
Okay, so as far as regular chores go, we started in the kitchen, and even at the age of 3, they were given a daily kitchen chore. We have 2 kids that do dishes each night. We have 1 kid that does the floors and 1 kid that washes the table and the countertops. And they rotate each day. 1 kid has a day off. So on Mondays is AJ's day off. On Tuesdays is Alexis's day off because there's only 4 chores. This only works if you're willing to lower your standards, which was really hard for me, but as they've gotten older, their skills have gotten better, and I don't always have to go behind them and clean it the way that I like to clean it. So that is really important. Just remember, lower your standards and meet them where they're at. Currently, we've started another chore, I guess you could call it a chore chart, where each day of the week we've split up a part of the house. So Mondays is bathroom days, which is what they did today. Tuesday might be the kitchen, the chores that don't really get touched on a daily basis. One day is living room, one day is their bedrooms. And this is just to help keep up with the normal everyday cleanliness of the house. And also it's broken into really bite-sized pieces so that they can even get this chore done on like a morning before school starts. That's the goal, still in progress. If you want more information about that, let me know in the comments below. Okay, chores are done. We are headed to the creek. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next week.